for? ROG Strix 20 Ti. This is our 6,000 Canadian dollars PC build. And I don't know what the fuck did I do to deserve this. And I don't. I don't know why I spent this much money on a computer, but it's good. It's better than nothing.
And you know what's better than nothing? Glasswire. Glasswire lets you instantly zero current and pass the network connectivity, detect malware, and block badly behaving apps on your PC or Android device. Use offer code Linus for 25% off. Link in the description.
Okay, first start off with a motherboard. This box is actually already open, so it's like we just simply. Yo! Is this weird packaging, or is it just me?
This is just amazing. No joke.
Sick.
This is crazy.
Oh, we don't need that. Oh,
shoot. No, don't throw it.
Okay. Put it right there. Oh, sticker!
Sticker!
No, not right now. Can you throw me the CPU?
Throw you?
Yes, throw me the CPU. Throw it!
I'm joking.
No! Let's
CPU.
open the CPU. Okay, I think I opened it.
Oh,
and
okay,
our
be careful
Ryzen.
with that. Be careful with that.
Hey, sticker! We got
Stickers.
sticker! One sticker, guys! One sticker! Don't know what that.
That should be the truth. I'm guessing that.
No, this is a box!
Guys, this is literally a piece of.
Piece of shit.
Okay.
Stupid.
Be careful.
I've done this once.
Okay. I feel you're shaking.
I should be. This is a $700 CPU.
And I dropped it.
Goes in. In.
I think we did it.
Did it.
Easy! Let's go!
Now let's.
Get out of here.
Randy. Is it RAM or SSD?
Doesn't matter really.
No, we gotta put it on the table, and then we need to go like it's a premium unboxing. Yeah, just do that. Oh my
Sticker?
gosh. There. In.
Okay.
Okay, good.
So one in,
One.
and the second one. Look at it. Look at the texture. No
It's
one
like
deserves this.
crystal.
Okay, we've all got the same kit, so it doesn't really matter where we place around.
Yeah.
No.
Oh,
okay, that's
okay.
one. No.
That needs to go in. That needs to go in.
Apply
Apply
pressure.
pressure.
Hold on. Wait.
Wait, okay.
One
That
side
side's good.
and the other side. Okay, next stop.
SSD. Tiny bit faster. Success.
Okay, grab it out.
Yee.
Lift off!
Good. No, that's a tempered glass. I got the glass panel out. This is very, very dangerous.
And I dropped it.
Where the hell do we open?
Here.
There we go.
Cable. Zip ties. Okay, zip ties. Free bag! These are all the cables. Power supply right here. That's good.
Or alternatively, we could have gone with
Ready? Are we supposed to plug the cables in?
We don't even have the motherboard in. What are you thinking?
True. Careful. I got it.
Okay. Where's the mounting screws? After like 1 hour of finding it.
We found it in the SSD cave. I am so pissed off right now.
Oh my fucking god.
The manual said not to use a drill. Good.
Gotta peel that off. It comes with a pre-mounted I/O, which is good. Superman who built a PC like a few days ago and it blew off. He used the same cord. Really? Yeah, and the same motherboard.
Oh yeah. Don't drop it. No! installing the pump. Do that.
Fan. Ooh. RGB fans. I hope you do get a computer soon.
That'll be like 3 more years. It goes on to. Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Hey.
I think we're good.
4 terabytes Barracuda, boys. Just do it.
I'm holding 4 terabytes of storage.
There we go.
I might just screw that in.
Not a lot.
Don't go too tight on it. Of course. Of course.
After like 4 hours of work, right? Is that 4 hours?
4 hours.
GPU.
Okay. Oh boy. We're witnessing history right now.
It's got another boxing size! This box is pretty good. This box, we can sell this box for like $200.
Oh, the graphics card.
28 Ti.
28 Ti.
Cable tie? Okay.
Cable tie? Premium cable tie? Be careful, Andy. Don't drop.
Damn, this is heavy.
Careful.
Oh.
That was a bad idea.
Okay, peel.
Oh,
not
this
bad.
is a
Good
thick boy.
peel.
This is a big, thick boy. In. I don't Lego boys. Perfect.
Nice.
The other side. Maybe. Actually, this is easy. Guys, this is a historic moment.
I'm also going to be plugging in this.
On.
Okay.
Maybe it's not one.
Oh! HDMI 1. Come on.
The crystals! Oh my
Okay,
god.
we're getting numbers. That's not good. Okay, not detecting inputs. We have all the lights on. Okay. Getting signal? Are we getting signal?
No, it might take a bit.
02. Still 02. Oh, let's try display port.
Moment of truth. I'm done.
Oh my god! Oh my god, let's go!
We go! Let's go!
Let's go! It's been like 3 hours that I have been troubleshooting. I was getting free tech tips from the official LTD server and they suggested me to update my BIOS. Hope this works. Oh my god! 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 It worked! It worked! Come on, please. No. It's still 02. I don't want. Okay, it's day 2. Me and Justin, we slapped because we wasn't being able to troubleshoot the computer. So we're bringing it to our retail store to get tech support. So okay, it's been quite some time, and we just went to Canada Computers to configure our problem.
And then we just realized it's the freaking keyboard.
It was a keyboard problem. So now we're back home after our computer got a diagnosis.
3, 2, 1, go. Show again. No.
Let's go! Oh my god, it finally boot up!
So,
We know the keyboard doesn't work.
the keyboard doesn't work.
Oh wait, no, it does!
Yes!
It worked! What's this? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, We finished the build. One hell of a PC. If you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe, like, do all good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.